All right, hello. This is a very quick tutorial slash hack slash how to do it video on what to do if you have a 3D resin printer like this one. This is an Elegoo Mars Pro 2, but most of the consumer brand or price size printers are set up like this. You got your vat and you got your billet plate going up and down in this nice clear plastic shell. Sometimes it's red, sometimes it's yellow. Regardless, you don't want, I'm in a garage where in the morning when we take our son to school, the garage door opens, I'm doing overnight prints, UV light will pour into the garage. I don't want it to contaminate, my vat or make things get lumpy. So instead of buying a $90 or $150, shield or enclosure on Amazon, which I don't really need because we live in a pretty temperate climate, I just need something to keep the light off of it. Remember these? Paper shopping bag. I don't know where, probably from a grocery store somewhere over Christmas, but it's the perfect height. It goes all the way down to an inch or two below the yellow plastic, so it keeps light from bleeding in even from underneath. It doesn't cover the vents on the back with these little handles. And again, this bag was free. You can get them from your cupboard, your pantry, your aunts or grandmas, neighbors, but you just need one. I've been using this one for like 2 or 3 months. It's still in pretty good condition. But yeah, it covers the light in. You can open the light. You can have the garage door open all day for all I care. And then, when it's done, just take it up, fold it in half, and place it here like it was meant to be there, like it was born to live there. And that's it. It's a great way, quick, cheap, and easy way to protect your vat from sunlight. Before I forget, I'm going to cover this because I've just started a print that is going to run overnight, and the garage door is definitely going to open in the morning before I have time to clean up and put all this away. If you have a similar process you use or a completely different one, please feel free to leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you do to keep light from bleeding in and destroying your vat and your prints. Thanks.